want to congratulate Rahul ji. He's honouring all the unsung heroes, the small entrepreneurs from the small scale industries, the MSMEs, and they are contributing towards our nation's economy, and they truly, I think, not given their due, and he very kindly does this event where he is recognizing them and he's honoring them. So congratulations, and it's a great endeavor.
Ladies and gentlemen, may we please put our hands together for Shilpa Shetty Cooker in the house, everybody! Okay, we have Shilpa ma'am with us in the house. Everybody make some noise! And before we move on, Rahul, can I please have you up on stage to felicitate Shilpa ma'am? And zordar taaliyan for Rahul Ranjan Singh as well. Next award is for the excellent global leader in aviation training, Sha-Shib Group, Mr. H. Shaju, Chairman, Sha-Shib Group. Congratulations, sir.